Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. There's a story that Rabbi Moshe Weinberger would always tell us in high school every year, around this time of the year. It once happened that the Holy Rebbe Yitzchak ben Berditchev, was seen by the Hasidim after davening, pouring a little bit of whiskey, making a bracha shehakol, and extending his hand up to heaven, wishing a good gebench jur to the Rebbeinu Shloilem. The Hasidim were shocked. It was January 1st. Why is he wishing Happy New Year for the secular New Year? So the Rebbe said, you don't understand. I prayed so much on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur and throughout the whole year that we should have a good year. And God said it wasn't good enough. And so he saw a vision that it wouldn't be good for the Jews. And so the Berditchev Rav said, Kiviyachol, as if to say, Berditchev, the Master of the universe, come with me for a walk. And he walked into the town of Berditchev outside of the Jewish ghetto. And he saw, which is supposed to be a holy day for Christians, the New Year Day, celebrating the circumcision of the founder of their religion and his mother. And instead of treating it as a holy day, there was evidence of all of the debauchery that happened the night before, all the broken glass from the fights and the drunkenness. And the Berditchever looked to heaven and he said, Rebbeinu Shloilem, I know that our Rosh Hashanah wasn't perfect, but at least it wasn't this Rosh Hashanah. And so it was revealed from heaven that the decree was rescinded and that it would be a good year for the Jewish people. And so the Berditchever explained, this is why this is why I'm wishing Shana Tova, a happy new year, not from now, from January 1st, but back from Rosh Hashanah, back in the fall, that now I was able to be victorious in my prayer and bring victory. And our sages say that when human beings are beat, when you're victorious against a human being, they're upset. But when you're victorious against God in prayer, God is happy. That's what He wants from us. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a happy New Year.
Kindalach, listen. I said to the Rebbe in Shel Oilem, I know our Rosh Hashanah wasn't perfect, but I told him at least it wasn't this Rosh Hashanah, and with that the evil decree was turned away. Amen.